fix Snapchat not working with Bluetooth headphones, go over to your phone settings and then go over to your apps. Go ahead and click on Manage Apps and then type Snapchat. So once you're here, go to App Permissions. And then you can see there are different permissions that is allowed, and make sure that the microphone is turned on. So then go to Other Permissions and then you'll see the Bluetooth connectivity. So go ahead and turn this on. So the next thing you can do if this doesn't work is go to your main settings and then you'll see the option of Bluetooth. So make sure that this is turned on and you'll see your device name and make sure that you are connected to your device. So that's it. That is how to fix Snapchat not working with Bluetooth headphones.